say here without fear that I had warned even against us chasing Sifuna from the party. And the reason is because I knew by the nature of his politics, he was bound at some point to leave. Yeah. But when we mistreat somebody, then we make him a hero. We have created a hero out of Sifuna. I'm not saying he's not a hero, but he wasn't what he is now. Our mistreating Sifuna is what has made Sifuna a hero. So let us be careful the way we are dealing with our issues. When Mimi raised these things, some goons were sent to beat me in Kilifi. When I raised these issues, I was shouted down in Kisumu. But I will say without fear that there's a party that I love. We must strengthen our party. And that show of strengthening our party means there must be internal party democracy.